Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Brent Paul Macasilhig, and now we're on to our Module 1 Assessment 2. So the problem is to have blink LED. LED should turn on for a second and turn off for a second in a loop. So the materials to be used are one Arduino Uno, one USB A to B cable, one breadboard or which is half size or anything that's available. Next is one LED that is 5 millimeters, 220 ohm resistor, and two jumper wires. So let's now start. So let us all compile our materials first. So Arduino. Next is this is the breadboard. Next is the LED button. Okay, so we have red for the previous assessment. Now we shall have green. Oh, my bad. This is the green one. Okay. And then the resistor, 220 ohms resistor. So first of all, let's try to use the breadboard. So in the previous assessment, we directly use the LED to the Arduino, but now we use the breadboard. So I will put this here, I guess, and then this resistor we shall rotate it. Okay, like that, 270 degrees, and then I shall put it here something, and then okay, let me zoom it up for you. So as you can see, wait. As you can see, all of this lines up with each other. So we can put the wires from here. Uh, Wait, okay, like that. Or wait, let me just wait. Okay, let me rearrange this one. Okay, like that. Next, so this is one jumper wire already. Then let's connect the terminal 2 to the 9. Remember what I said in the last assessment? The ground wires, I shall put it as black, okay? Now we shall put this one as green. So now let us start our coding. Okay. Mm, Let me erase this one. So integers, let's type int. So that means integers. So it specifies for the specific number that we have our jumper wires with. So as you can see, the jumper wires that we've directly connected are from the ground and from the 9. So let us put here in or integer light equals, oh my bad, equals 9 semicolon. Always remember that. Next is void setup. Open close parenthesis and then open brace. Then pin mode parenthesis light. Copy everything from the int. Like for example, I put light there, so it is all in the uppercase. So as the following procedures, we should also use uppercase for light words. Okay. Next is out semicolon, then close brace. Next is void loop. Open close parenthesis. Open brace. Digital, right? Like hi, close, semicolon, close parenthesis. And then delay, it says here in the assessment, turn on for a second and then turn off for a second. So we shall put here 1000. Then semicolon, we shall copy this one, but we shall change that to low, I guess. Okay, so this should do it. So let us try to start the simulation. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, let us zoom in for more. As you can see, every even numbers in the simulator time, it lights up the LED bulb, the LED. But every odd numbers in the simulator time, it turns off. So that means our coding is successful for a second. And the LED should turn on for a second and then turn off for a second. So that's all for this assessment. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Thank you for watching my Module 1 Assessment 2 for robotics.